Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ira Hana Cueva. So, today, I'm gonna help my mom cook our lunch. My mom already marinated this chicken. She just put it calamansi, garlic, onion, soy sauce, and tanglad. And we all just need this. What are we needing is this turbo broiler. So guys, we are gonna put the chicken in the turbo broiler. Let's go put it. It's so cold, guys. Aray, ouch. Wow, guys, that's so heavy. Oh my god.
Include the tanglad.
Oh my god. I'm gonna put that there. Put that there too. And then I'm gonna get this heavy chicken here. And then my hands.
Wash it.
So we're gonna close it up. And the timer is 45 minutes. And it's 200. And the temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. Let's just wait for it. While we are waiting for the chicken to cook, we are gonna cook some rice first. So it's just easy to do, guys, because you're just gonna wash it twice. First, let's go put on some water. After washing the rice twice, we are gonna measure the water. Let's go put some water again. Ow. Measuring the water. Let's go cook it now. Let's go open it. Let's go put the rice in it. And then close it up. Don't forget to press it down. Bye! Hello guys! So as you can see, my mom already flipped the chicken. And it smells so yummy. I can't wait to taste it. It's already cooked. Let me go open it. Wow. I can't wait to taste it. It smells so yummy. Hi guys, we're gonna enjoy our lunch now. So, make sure to like and subscribe. And hit the bell notifications so you will be notified whenever I post a video. Bye!